Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Feus House, Kedlock Feus in Cupar. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-reception detached property. It is in a really peaceful and private location. You have the most amazing views and the character, as you can see behind me, the character in this property is stunning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera, show you the view that you'll have from your property. It's a complete 360 view with this one. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you, and then I will take you on the tour. So this is your front view. So this is the view that you will have every day looking out of your property. As I say, it's a lovely day here today. And then this is your property here. So all the way along, this is your detached property. So as I say, you can see the character in it, and it is just beautiful. And it's so quiet, as you can obviously tell in the background, it's so quiet. And with this one, you have a great country lifestyle. And then you actually have your own private driveway. As you can see, the size of it is incredible. So that is just a sneak peek at your back garden, but I'm going to come to that in more detail. So you come around and you are greeted by the back of your property with this really large conservatory and then entrance steps. So this is the back of your property, completely detached. Then we'll go up the stairs and start the tour. So into this great space here. Now you'll notice as we go throughout the whole property, it's so light and spacious. And I'll point out the features as we go through, but this is a great space. You'll notice as we go through also that there's so much space for both you, your family, socialising, entertaining. Now I'm actually going to start upstairs and work the way down. So we're going to go up the stairs here. Now straight away with this one, this is their kind of main living room space. And you can see why they've done it. Because not only is it a great space room, but the views that you have are just beautiful. So you have your 2 Velux windows, letting in loads of natural light. And then again, the view that you have. So it's a great place to just come and kind of unwind at the end of the day. And what's great as well, if you do, work from home, this is the perfect space. And you can kind of just close the door and shut yourself off in your own working from home office space. Then we'll go along to the main room. So straight here on our left is we have one of 2 bathrooms. Now the finish in this bathroom is amazing. It's a really, really high standard, beautiful big family bathroom. Again, a Velux window letting in loads of natural light. And then a really large walk-in shower. It's a really, really good space. So that's your family bathroom. Then just a little bit further along, we have your main bedroom. Again, the windows letting in loads of natural light. It's a really good size master. Now I'm just going to turn and show you the view again. Imagine, obviously, every day, waking up in here, a great start to your day. So that is your bedroom view, which is just lovely. And we're coming along here, which is just amazing. Your kind of walk-in wardrobe. So full length wardrobes, plenty of storage in this property as well. So not only are you getting a great country lifestyle, amazing views, you're getting plenty of space as well for you and your family. So we're going to go back downstairs. I'm going to take you along to your other bedrooms first, and I want to come back to this, and you'll know why I want to come back to it, because it's a beautiful room. So again, this is your second bathroom. Beautiful big bath. Just imagine relaxing in there at the end of the night. Love the exposed timber beams as well. Again, another large walk-in shower. Finished to a great standard in here. Both the bathrooms are newly renovated, so they are just beautiful. Now this hallway is such a lovely hallway. The floor in here, and then look at these windows. Kind of floor to ceiling windows, again letting in loads of that natural light, but also so you can take advantage of the view. Then this is into the third bedroom. Patio doors leading you out into the hallway there, and then your double fitted wardrobe. So just to give you an idea of size. Again, loving the exposed beams. And then we come into the second bedroom. It's an amazing size, as you can see. Plenty of room in here for all of your furniture. And then you have the added bonus of your double fitted wardrobes. And again, the doors leading out to the patio. So it's in a really, really generous sized room. And then look at the hallway from this, obviously, angle. Love the hallway as well. So we'll go along. Now this is into your main living room, come dining room. You've got space to obviously make it and use it for however you like. So again, exposed beams throughout, storage cupboards just there. It's a beautiful big room. And then look at this for a feature. Isn't that just a beautiful, beautiful log burner feature? Just imagine in the winter having that on at night. It's beautiful. And then again, floor to ceiling windows for you to take in that view. Then we come into your really, really good sized family kitchen. You really are spoilt by the views at this property, and every little opportunity you can see them. So this is your family kitchen. You have plenty of space for all your appliances, and then you have your integrated double oven. So I'm going to take you out to the garden, but wouldn't doing your dishes in an evening just be made a lot better with that view? So let's take you out. I'm going to meet you in the back garden to take you on the rest of the tour. So we're now into the back garden, coming down the steps. Now you'll see you have your large double garage. Then we go over the stone chips, and you've got this really, really large grass lawn. So much outdoor space. Great for family, friends, entertaining. Now let's see how far down we go. But it's so peaceful here. You maybe hear the birds in the background, but it is just lovely. Beautiful back garden. So not only do you have a gorgeous inside property full of all the character, you then have this right out of your back door as well. And then that is your property up there in the... So that was a personal property tour for Feus House, Kedlock Feus. As you saw, really high finish throughout, amazing space for you and your family, and the most incredible back garden. Now you have the perfect country lifestyle here, but you're also just 10-15 minutes outside of Cupar, where you have all your local amenities. You also have the local bus routes and the train station. So it's a real lifestyle balance here. If this appeals to you, this is on the market for offers over 385,000. You can either message me directly here, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care.